All right, so we're gonna go over a quick video now that will show you a way, as long as you have a foam roller, which I know in the fitness center there are tons of foam rollers, but so many of you probably have a foam roller at your house. If you're limiting the ability to get your arm overhead without having to arch your back, this could be a great exercise for you, especially important for disassociating or just that independent movement into the turn or into the backswing, okay? So I have Meg here, and she is going to demonstrate this exercise. We are going to use the foam roller to release some of the soft tissue or muscular restrictions on the outside of the shoulder blade. So Meg has her shoulder blade a position on that foam roller. She's gonna roll up and down a little bit until she finds what feels like the tightest spot. Oftentimes it's the most painful spot, okay? She may need to rotate forward or back and just kind of see, once she finds that spot, what's the most tender, okay? So she's found it there. Now I want you to just bring this hand on the opposite ear so that you can relax your head down into that hand. Just stay right neutral there. That just allows her neck muscles to not have to go, because the last thing I want is for you to develop neck pain from doing this exercise. Okay, first thing you're gonna do, just breathe. When you breathe in, good, and then breathe out and just try and relax into that foam roll. This is the stage where we're just trying to get comfortable on the foam roll, because if this is dysfunctional, it can be very painful, okay? Next thing I want you to do is to check, if you roll back a little bit versus rolling forward a little bit, which one kind of tightens that up more? There, rolling forward. So you're just gonna go neutral, so come back off of that a little bit and then back on it. You're just gonna go back and forth there and breathe out as you turn down, breathe in as you come back up. Good, out as you come down. Again, we're just trying to get the body to relax into that foam roller. And lastly, what we're gonna do is come right to that neutral position, right to where you have pressure on, right there. And now I want you to just kind of drop your head and chest down into that shoulder blade. So now we're just kind of putting more pressure into that armpit, into that restricted muscle by dropping the head down into that. And you can breathe out as you go down, breathe in as you come up. Okay, so spending like 3 minutes on this, 3 to 5 minutes, and then getting up and just kind of see, does your arm come up over your head a lot more easily after you do that? That would be a great thing to do before you play golf, just to kind of free that up if you know that's a problem for you. So give that a try.